most of the common people and even the civil services aspirant always confused with all these terms. So don't get confused with these terms. If you see anything, even is it PT or mains question, so don't get confused with these terms. To understand the term net zero emission, as we earlier discussed on it, we must also understand what is not net zero, and should not be confused with the following related but separate concept. These concepts are separate, related to the net zero, but these are not concept of net zero. So we clarify what is this, like zero emission. What is zero emission? Means zero emission refer to a process where CO2 is released at all. In fact, in our current global mining and manufacturing system, no technology produce zero emissions. Zero emissions means no CO2 produced at any cost. So even if you use certain kind of device, you can also emit the carbon. So in present scenario, no technology available to produce net zero emission. Number one, that is called zero emission, means no release of carbon or greenhouse gas is called zero emissions. Further, technologies such as solar panels, wind energy are said to be zero emission. If you hear about solar panel, wind energy, all are called zero emission, but technically they are not. If you think technically they are not zero emission. Why they are not? Let's clarify that. They have what known as embedded emission, not zero emission, but zero emission plus embedded emissions. What is embedded emission? Embedded emission, those created in manufacturing process, the technology. However, solar and wind produce no emissions after its installation, make fossil fuel or that. So it is embedded emission, like solar panel made in China and other factory, they emit various type of polluted gas. Further, various component of wind energy like wind turbine also made in a factory. So these are also emit some amount of carbon or greenhouse gases. So this emission is called embedded emissions. If we call solar energy, wind energy at no emission or zero emission, it means after installation, that is ongoing emission. After installation, ongoing emission is zero. So we can call these technology or this type of like wind or solar energy emission zero after installation, but not at all. All process is embedded plus zero, means embedded is also included in this process. So second thing is carbon negative. What is carbon negative? This means removing carbon from the atmosphere or sequencing more than CO2 it emitted. This might include bioenergy process with carbon capture and storage technology, like something here, 2 ton carbon CO2 produced. Number one scenario. And here is a coastal belt and marine areas, marshland, all these things, even a rainforest, etc. It means they sequence means they absorb carbon dioxide approx 3 ton carbon dioxide CO2. It means it is minus 1 ton more sequences or separated from the atmosphere, and this phenomenon is known as negative emission, negative carbon negative. So this term is called, this means removing CO2. And the third one is low emission. What is low emission? Low emission greenhouse gases as a lower, it means generating greenhouse gases lower than the it's produced as usual. For example, it include switching from coal fire power to gas fire power, generate same amount of the electricity but the fewer emission. This means this means previously there is a power plant which generate 3 gigaton or 3 ton CO2. This coal power plant replaced by gas power plant. So this gas power plant emit 1 ton of CO2, means it's reduced by 2 ton. So that is, it is called low emission, means 3 gigaton is high emission, 1 ton is low emission. So it is also emit the greenhouse gases but it is low emission. So this term is called low emission, generating greenhouse gas lower than as usual. Let's so it is wind turbine. So wind turbine, as we earlier discussed, it is net zero or but it is not zero emission. Why not zero emission? Embedded emission, embedded emission plus zero means something like this wind turbine panel manufactured in some factory, they emit some amount of gas, that is called embedded emission, and after that installation it is zero emission. So that is zero emission.